All right, so we built a very simple voice AI agent in ElevenLabs. Now it's the time to put it on a phone number and ask her to call someone. You could prank your friends. Actually, I would like to prank my wife. Let's see if she gets the joke. But if she didn't get the joke, then I will not record it. But let's see if it works. So I'm going to first put it on a phone number. So click on phone numbers and then click on import number from Twilio. So we're going to build a phone number from Twilio and then bring it here. So we need these three basic information from Twilio. Let's go to Twilio. You need to sign up for Twilio. I believe you can. Once you have created your Twilio account, you can go to phone numbers, manage active numbers, and then you can buy a new number. Usually the regulatory process of German phone numbers or European phone numbers are a little bit hard, but American phone numbers are super simple and super easy and super fast to do. So click on buy phone number, click on buy, and then click on confirm. So now you have basically created a phone number. I'm going to copy this phone number, go back to Twilio, and paste this phone number here, label it. I'm going to call it Samantha. And then you can add your SID in here. Where do you get that from? Let's build a new one so that you know where to get it from. So when you sign up and log into your Twilio account, you get this account information. As soon as you click on that, you go on the main page, scroll down, then you can see the SID in here, copy that, go back to Twilio, paste it. You should be able to store and import your phone number like this. Now, this phone number has to be associated with an AI agent, and we already built one. So we're going to associate it to that AI agent. But let's quickly check our AI agent. It's called support agent. We're going to call it Samantha. And there is a save button in the bottom, so you need to click that in order for this change to happen. We're going to do this little Samantha association, so you need to make sure that you pick the AI agent from there. This ribbon is overlapping here, but make sure that you don't have a save button down there. All right, so we have this phone number now associated with that. If I go to outbound calls, create a batch call, and then from right here, select an AI agent, and then select a phone number, then you see this button going enabled. Then you can do a test call without actually creating a batch call. So I'm going to click Samantha. I'm going to click Germany. And I'm putting my phone number, and then I will send a test call here to see if it works. There we go. I received a phone call. I'm picking the phone. Hello.
Hey, Emil, I'm Samantha. How can I help you today?
Okay, can you tell me something about Germany? Something cool about Berlin, especially something to do in July?
Of course, Emil. Germany is such a fascinating place. Did you know it's one of the most innovative countries in the world, especially when it comes to engineering and green technologies? Now, Berlin in July is something special. The city really comes alive in the summer. One cool thing to do is to visit the classic open-air Gendarmenmarkt. It's a series of outdoor classical music concerts held in one of Berlin's most beautiful squares. Imagine enjoying beautiful music under the stars. Does that sound like something you'd be interested in?
Yes, but I like something more kind of like with more kind of meetups and AI and things like that. Can you tell me something about that?
I understand. You're looking for something more in your wheelhouse, something with AI and meetups. Well, since you co host AI Builders Berlin, you probably already know about the local AI scene. But in July, there are often smaller, more informal meetups and workshops that pop up around Berlin. I can check a few event calendars and AI communities to see if there's any.
So it is actually context aware of me because I give all the information in that one prompt. So what we'll do next is I'm gonna try to, well, I just crossed my mind. I'm not gonna prank my wife because I realize that she's working. If it goes bad, it will be a bummer. What we'll do next is basically attach it to a contact form so that I can fill a contact form and then it can call that person who filled the contact form. So let's go and do that.